Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter, that is issue of debentures. Take down the next side heading, redemption of debentures. So debentures are a debt to the company, which means it is a liability to the company. So the repayment of debentures is called redemption of debentures. So you can write the meaning of redemption of debentures, that is, the repayment of debentures is known as redemption of debentures. Next, you can write journal entries. We have first one, debentures account debited to debenture holders account, and second one we have debenture holders account debited to bank account. In detail, we would be seeing the accounting procedure of redemption of debentures. So next side heading, write down accounting for issue of debentures, considering the terms and conditions of redemption. So redemption of debentures can be done either at par, premium, according to the terms which are laid down at the time of issue. But in case of redemption, only two cases are possible, that is par and premium. But in case of issue of debentures, it was par, premium at discount. Correct? So write down the first one. When debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par. So say for example, if a debenture of 100 is issued at 100 and is redeemed at 100, what will be the following entry? You should make two columns. First will be entry for issue and next will be entry for redemption. So what is the entry for issue? It is bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account, 100 rupees debit, 100 rupees credit. And what will be the second entry? Debenture application and allotment to debenture account, 100 rupees debit, 100 rupees credit. This we have already studied. We need to study the redemption entry. This is given so that you can compare what is the difference between the entry. So what will be the case of entries in redemption? Debenture account to debenture holder account, 100 debit, 100 credit. Debenture holder account to bank account, 100 debit, 100 credit. Clear? Next, write down the side heading. When debentures are issued at discount and are redeemed at par. Say for example, if a debenture is issued at 100 for 95 and is redeemed at 100, what will be the entry? So we know the issue entry, it is bank to application and allotment, and then it is debenture application allotment, discount on issue of shares of debenture debited to debenture account. But what will be the entry for redemption? It will be the same, that is debenture account debited to debenture holders account, debenture holder to bank account. There is no discount in case of redemption. You can write down the note below that discount on issue is a capital loss and will be written off during the lifetime of the debentures. Full stop. But till then it will be shown as unamortized expenses on the asset side of balance sheet. Next, write down the third one. When debentures are issued at premium and are redeemed at par. Say for example, if the debenture issued for 100 is issued at 105 and redeemed at 100, what will be the entry? Issue entry will be bank to debenture application and allotment, debenture application to debenture to securities premium. And what is the redemption entry? Redemption entry will always be the same, that is debenture account to debenture holder to bank. So security premium reserve has a credit balance and is a capital profit, will be shown under the heading equity and liability under the head reserves and surplus. Next we have when debentures are issued at par and are redeemed at premium. So sometimes the debentures are issued with a specific condition that the company will pay a premium at the time of their redemption. Although such premium will be paid at the actual time of redemption, it is a loss the company records, such as loss at the time of issue, by debiting an account which is known as loss on issue of debentures account. Okay. So when the debentures are issued at par but redeemed at premium, the premium would be a loss to the company, and so the journal entry would be different. It is a capital loss to the company. So at the time of issue of debentures, it will be loss on issue of debentures. Clear? But when the debentures are issued at premium and redeemed at par, it is a capital profit to the company, and we credit the securities premium account. So what will be the journal entry? Say for example, if the debenture is issued for 100 but is redeemed for 105. First entry will remain the same, that is bank to debenture application and allotment account. Second entry would be different. Next entry is debenture application and allotment account debited, loss on issue of debenture account debited, to debenture account, to premium on redemption of debenture account. Next, for redemption, what will be the entry? Debenture account debited, premium on redemption of debenture account debited to debenture holder account, and then it is debenture holders account to bank account. So loss on issue of debenture is a capital loss. So it is written off from securities premium reserve or from statement of profit and loss. So the entry for written off will be the same thing what we studied, statement of profit or loss account debited to loss on issue of debentures. So the balance of loss on issue of debentures will be shown under unamortized expenses on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next we have case 5, when debentures are issued at discount and are redeemed at premium. For example, if the debenture is issued of 100 for 98 and is redeemed at 105. So bank account to debenture application allotment account. How much is it? 98 debit, 98 credit. Then we have debenture application and allotment. Loss on issue of debenture. What will be the loss? 2 rupees of discount and 5 rupees of premium. So total of 7 rupees to debenture to premium on redemption of debenture account. And in case of entry of redemption will be same that of premium. That is debenture account, premium on redemption of debenture account to debenture holders account. And then it is debenture holders to bank account. Both the amount of discount allowed and premium on redemption are capital losses and therefore will be grouped together in the loss on issue. Okay. Next we have when debentures are issued at a premium and are redeemed at premium. So if the debenture of 100 is issued at 106 and is redeemed at 110, what will be the entry? So it is bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. How much? 106, 106. Then we have debenture application and allotment account, loss on issue of debenture account, to debenture account, to securities premium account, to premium on redemption account. Securities premium is a normal premium, that is 6 rupees. Loss on issue will be 10 rupees because it is redeemed at 110 and 110. Debenture application and allotment will be 106 and debenture will be 100. And for redemption, the interest remains the same. So on the equity and liability side, securities premium reserve will be shown under the head reserves and surplus, and premium on redemption will be shown under the head non-current liabilities. Okay. So you can write down a note. Securities premium reserve is shown under the head reserves and surplus, and premium on redemption will be shown under the head non-current liabilities. Next, take down an illustration. So issued 2012% debentures at 100 each at par, redeemable at par. So draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Case 1. What is the entry? Bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account. Why am I writing these entries? Because they have asked us only write the entries of issue of debentures and not redemption of debentures. So write the narration, application, money received. Next we have 12% debenture application and allotment account debited to 12% debenture account. 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write the narration, transfer of application money to debenture account issued at par. Next, case 2. Issued 2012% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 2%, redeemable at par. So first entry, bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account. What is the discount? It is 2%. So 2000 into 98, 1,96,000 debit, 1,96,000 credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next we have 12% application and allotment account debited. Discount on issue of debentures account debited to 12% debenture account. Discount is 4,000. Application allotment 1,96,000. 2 lakh. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account issued at discount. Next, write case 3. Issued at premium of 5%, redeemed at par. So bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account. 5% means it is 2000 into 105. 2,10,000 debit, 2,10,000 credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next, 12% debenture application and allotment account debited to 12% debenture account to securities premium reserve account. 2,10,000, 2,10,000. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account issued at a premium of 5%. Next we have case 4. What is case 4? Issued at par, redeemed at premium. So first entry will remain the same again. Bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account. How much is it? 2 lakh debit. Why 2 lakh? Because it is redeemed at premium and not issued at premium. Next we have 12% debenture application and allotment account debited. Loss on issue of debentures debited to 12% debenture account to premium on redemption account. So 12% debenture is 2 lakh. It is redeemed at a premium of how much? 5%. So 10,000 is loss. 2 lakh and again 10,000. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account issued at par but redeemed at a premium of 5%. Next, write down case 5. It is issued at discount and redeemed at premium. So bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account discount is 2%, so it is 1,96,000 debit, 1,96,000 credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next we have 12% debenture application and allotment account debited. Loss on issue of debenture debited to 12% premium debenture account to premium on redemption account. So how much is the premium? 5%. So premium on redemption will be 10,000. 12% debenture is 2 lakh. How much is the discount? 4,000. So 4,000 plus 10,000 is loss on issue of debenture, that is 14,000. 1,96,000 is debenture application and allotment account. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account issued at a discount of 2% and redeemed at a premium of 5%. Last case 6. Issued at premium and redeemed at premium. So first entry will be bank account debited to 12% debenture application and allotment account. 2,000 into 105, 2,10,000 debit, 2,10,000 credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next we have 12% debenture application and allotment account debited. Loss on issue of debenture account debited to 12% debenture account, to securities premium reserve account, to premium on redemption account. Securities premium is how much? It is issued at 5%. So 2,000 into 5, that is 10,000. It is redeemed at 10%. So 2,000 into 10, 20,000. And what is the loss on issue of debenture? It is 20,000. And 12% debenture will be 2,10,000. That is 2,000 into 105. Write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account issued at a premium of 5% and redeemed at a premium of 10%. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.